Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can just add a free shipping on your Shopify. So to do that, you have to just log in or sign up in your ID of your Shopify. So as you can see, like in Shopify, I have an account, then I have a product also. So at the left corner, you can see as settings. So here you can see as settings. So here first we have to buy a plan. So when you will buy a plan, then Shopify will allow to receive the payments from your customer. So to buy a plan, you can just go to settings and choose a plan. And so Shopify provides us three options. So first is like $1 plan. So these are like $1 plan is a basic plan for 3 months, and Shopify plan and advanced plan. Okay. So as you can see, it's a starter plan also. Here for like 5 months, you can see you can just choose whichever plan which is suitable for you. So we can just choose, as you can see here, as a Shopify plan. So we can choose this here. So here first we have to add our billing details like our billing address and our payment method. Then we have to just add a billing cycle, as you can see. So it's about like first it will like today for it will take a $1 for 30 days, and then like a $105 for another 30 days, as you can see. So we have to just add our business address, as you can see. So here we have a payment method. So in payment method we have to add here. So in here we have a option to pay with a credit card or a PayPal. So I will prefer you can add a credit card that will like set the no dues. When you will add your PayPal, you have to just add in your PayPal wallet money. So I'll prefer as credit card and just add your credit card detail and just do add credit card and pay. So when you will subscribe to this will be a 30 days trial. Okay, you can just cancel from your credit card app. So here you can see we can back to our home. So when you have done this step to buy a plan and add your address, then you have to just add the payment method also from where you will receive the payment. So you can add as per your choice. So Shopify provides us three payment options. As you can see, we can just like take one. So to get the free shipping, we have to click on shipping and delivery. So here you can see we have options of three shipping options in the pickup, local delivery, and shipping. So let's go to shipping and we can just go to manage, as you can see. So in manage, as you can see, it's loading. So here you can see products. Here is our shipping options. So as you can see, we can just delete all this. So just delete. So we are doing for free shipping. So add free shipping, you can just click on here, add rate. So here, as you can see, it's free. Okay, so we have to name as here as free shipping, and we can just do then. So we have added a free shipping on our Shopify, as you can see. So we can save it. This is on the first in like delivery zones. Okay, so then we will go here, and in second we have a local delivery. So in local delivery we can just manage. As you can see, we have recommended apps for local delivery. We can just choose their recommended apps, or we can use this is a local delivery offer. We can just do. So here we have option for the local delivery. We can choose we have choose a zone. So here you have to don't fill any price. So when you will like set a price, so it will like show. So we have to just add our delivery location and zone zone of the name and the pin code and delivery information. Okay, so these are the delivery apps that you can use for a local delivery in US and in Europe side. Okay, so you can use. So let's go to next. So let's leave this page. So as you can see, the third is local pickup. So in local pickup, the item will be like shipped to the nearest location of the customer. Usually takes like 24 hours. So you can just set. Okay, so you can do 2 to 4 hours, and you can just add the location. Okay, so this is how you can just do. So you can just how this how you can just add the free shipping and delivery on your Shopify store. So it is important to add because many customers just cancel the order to saying the delivery. So I recommend you can just go to a product and just as you can see this is my here, this is my so it's my product. So for example, my product cost is like the $34, and I added a $5 in every product because like I will like show the customer that I am charging their $5 delivery charge, so they will cancel. So this is the best strategy to acquire customer and then make their uh, make more money. So this is how you can do. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.